Hi, welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today I'll be making mussels. It's a really quick and simple recipe. Of course, it's Trini style, and if you want to see how I do it, keep looking. For this recipe, you need 1 package of mussels. You can get this at any local grocery store. I have 1 pack that is already washed and ready to go. 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. It's the frozen thyme, so it doesn't look as green, but the flavor is still there. 1 green onion, bandania, hot pepper, pimento, onion. The hot pepper, you don't have to use the whole thing, optional of how much you use. White wine, black pepper, salt, and salted butter. I'm just going to start chopping my stuff up now. The bandania, usually I grind it, but I'm just going to give it a quick fine chop here. The hot pepper, I'm just using a piece of it, not the whole thing. So I had my pot heating up on medium heat. I'm going to add like around 2 tablespoons of butter. It could be a little bit more, it doesn't matter. The butter is really yummy in it. And get it melting there. Then it doesn't have to finish melting. You can add all your ingredients that is already cut up here. So this is going to fry on medium to low heat right now because you don't want it to fry too much. You just want it to soften up a bit to get the flavors coming out of it for when you add the mussels. So I'm just going to fry it like maybe a minute or so. That might be good. I'll just add my mussels in now, but I'm going to turn the heat up a bit when I add the mussels. Next step is a dash of salt. Just a sprinkle. Just a sprinkle of salt like that. Some black pepper. And some, if you have white wine, add some white wine, amazing flavor to it. Just a little bit. That's it. Turn it up there. So I'm just going to crank the heat up on high and leave it there for about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to cover it. And that's it for, I'll take it to the next step. Mussels have been cooking for around 4 minutes. I'm going to check to see if it's ready. Yes, yep, it looks like it's ready. I'm going to turn the stove off. What you're looking for is if when they're open like that, see they're all open, that is what you're looking for. So that's it, it's all finished right here. So now I'm just gonna pour it in my platter here to take to the table. That's what it looks like. So simple, easy recipe. Trini style mussels. If you like my recipes, please like and subscribe and we can do more stuff. Thanks for looking.